Now, linear inequalities in one variable and their solutions. So, linear inequality, that is inequality in which the variable consists of degree 1. So, the inequality with the degree 1, the expressions with the degree 1, and in single variable, only one variable, usually denoted by x. And also the solutions. Solutions we find in both the way, algebraically and graphically. By solution we mean the values of the variable which satisfies the inequality. Values of the variable which satisfy the inequality means the values when substituted in the inequality, the statement is true, becomes true. The statement is not changed. The inequality remains true, the same, and that value or values are called the solutions. And now consider an example. So suppose we have the statement say x less than 5 and x is a natural number. So consider this statement. X less than 5 and x is a natural number. So the expression inequality expressed is x less than 5 and x given x a natural number. Find the solution. So find the values of x less than 5, that is the natural number less than 5. Those values are the solutions. The natural number is less than 5 constitute these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Less than 5, strictly less than 5. So 5 cannot be included. So these are the values, the natural number is less than 5. Therefore, these values constitute the solution. When we substitute these values in the statement or in the expression of the statement, the inequality, the statement becomes true. So 1 substituted x equal to 1, 1 less than 5, true statement. 2 less than 5, true statement. 3 less than 5, true. 4 less than 5, true. So these are all the solutions. So algebraically the solutions are 1, 2, 3, 4, or the solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4. See, we can represent this graphically. So graphically representing means plot these points on the number line, the real number line. That is the graphical representation. So for this, first to draw the line, the number line. So draw the line. As usual, mark certain points, any certain number of points. So suppose we mark, say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. and -1, -2, etc. to is left. Then mark the points on the number line means indicate that point by making a bold type dot on the corresponding point. So here we have the solutions. 1, so a bold type dot, 2 a bold type dot, 3 a bold type dot, 4 a bold type dot. So these constitute the solutions. These 4 points constitute the solutions 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the graphical representation. So this is the graphical representation. So we can consider another one, another example. So consider the statement, say 2x plus 3 less than say 10. 2x plus 3 less than 10, this statement, 2x plus 3 less than 10. So this is a linear inequality involving only one variable, x. And to find the solution, what we do is, so from this 2x plus 3 less than 10, we get 2x less than 7, subtracting 3 from both sides. Rule 1, subtracting 3 from both sides. Again, from this we get x less than 7 by 2, dividing with the positive number 2 both sides. Rule 2. Okay? So, we get x less than 7 by 2. And then the statement is given 2x plus 3 less than 10. If the value of the x, variable x, is not specifically stated, it is understood that this x takes the value of a real numbers. X is real. It is understood. And if necessary, we can give this x is real. If not given in such a form, the not specifically stated, then it is understood x is real. And now here x is less than 7 by 2. Find all the values of this x. Less than 7 by 2, we have infinitely many real numbers. Infinitely many real numbers. So algebraically, expressing all the real numbers one by one is impossible. So we can use the representation in the set form, set method. So we see that the solution consists of set of x less than 7 by 2, x is real. So this is the solution. The solution set consisting of all solutions. So this is the solution set. And graphically, draw the number line first. Then mark the 0 here. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then minus 1, minus 2, etc. Then 7 by 2, which is 3.5, so here also 1 more 0.4. 7 by 2 is 3.5, so here becomes 3 by 3.5, which is 7 by 2. Then x is less than 7 by 2. So make the line, number line, bold type, 2 ways left from 3.5. So this bold type line marking. So this bold type portion gives the solution graphically. Except this 3.5, because 3.5, 7 by 2 is not included in the set because this x is strictly less than 7 by 2. Not equal to 7 by 2. So this bold type portion constitute the solution set graphically. Okay, so in this way we can have the solution or solution set of the inequality. We can have more examples in the next videos. Okay.